Wait, baby girl, what you doing? Where your man? I just popped a Zan, 50,000 in Japan. I ain't do no plan, these red bottoms on no Vans. And she telling all her friends, I might put them on the gram. Baby girl, what you doing? Where your man? I just popped a Zan, 50,000 in Japan. I ain't do no plan, these red bottoms on no Vans. And she telling all her friends, I might put them on the gram. Baby girl, what you...
So we're going to an amusement park today, well, Hershey Park, and I know I'm wearing makeup to an amusement park, and it's raining. I don't know why I did that. It don't even make sense. Oops, my headphones. Anyways, I'm taking these off because I even plugged this to my phone. Hey, you're so nice. So I forgot to make a video while we were at home, but we just stopped at Turkey Hill. Oh, you can't see it. Anyways, we stopped at Turkey Hill so we can stretch out. So we're already in Hershey. We just stopped at Turkey Hill, like I already said that. Anyways, and then we're about to go back in the car and then go on our way over there. I don't know why we're makeup and it's raining. I don't know why we're going when it's raining, but my mom got the ticket, so we're not gonna waste it. And out here with my man's Angel to have. Cute. See, we got this little Turkey Hill shirt on because we're going with Aliz's dad's company. I did a little makeup look to like the orange, you see. And I just got these shoes on because they're like crusty, so it don't really matter so we're in the rain. Here with my mom. Ew. What? My head. Only came for the food, so thanks. Ice cream. It's free food. If we don't put some fucking on that little boy, he don't want no damn sweater. He's gonna get sick. And he's going. Shut my head. Oh, we're famous. Hey.
You ain't cold? I'd have put that sweatshirt on by now.
No, I'm not cold.
I'm cold.
A Jolly Rancher.
So we're about to get on this, like if we're kids, it don't really matter. Aja! Let's go! Ah! So kidding. I started screaming. On this ride and we realized we're on the horses that don't move up and down, so we're just like,
So tell me how we got
we're just
that
stiff.
don't move. We got on that.
We went on that one right there. We're gonna go on the horse thing again, but we're gonna go on the right ones that go up and down. She's probably like, these children, whatever. Part two.
That's what people say.
Uh-uh.
That's what people say. I got one to.
This is for how much, Evelyn?
$0.99.
Yep.
I don't know where they're sat at. She just walked away.
Y'all know I don't like that extra bread that be on like hot dogs.
They're playing the Browns?
Yeah. It's not letting me download it.
So there's me, and then there's him.
Take 3 pictures.
Wait, how does that?
Yeah, we lit. What do you think? Don't look bad.
Oh,
Want to make
And then 2 copies to print out.
Thank you. As we wait. So I'm standing in line again so we could take pictures in the photo booth. It's not like a long line, but I want to show this shirt because it matches my eyeshadow, so it makes sense. But you can't even really see my shirt in the first picture. But and we're back.
You and your friends? I'm right here. Choose between fun borders. What's up?
Oh, wait, I want them to see this stuff, like the logo right here.
Smile.
Yep. Look, go in the dirt. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's it.
You say you like it?
Yeah. We're about to go on this thing. I don't know how it goes. If I start screaming, then that's on me. No. Oh. Yeah, you bitch. Bro, I was scared for that. This shit was split.
That's what you like?
Yeah, this thing was kind of turned, not gonna even hold you. What if it goes fast all of a sudden?
Out of the station to your left.
We should go again. We should go again.
Enjoy the rest of your day here at
Oh,
Hershey
yeah.
Park.
And we're back. Part 2. We're going on the ride again. Oh yeah! Oh, close. Again! The video that I took on the ride was so blurry. What in the world? Look at my mom. Go ahead. Hey! Wait, can you even see you? Thank you, guys. See that? We're in the bathroom. I feel like I'm gonna get sick. It look good in here. We left the bathroom. We reunited with them because they went on like 3 rides. Okay. So we're going back to that place where we can get like the free food. You got the tickets, right? Yeah. And we're just gonna get ice cream and stuff. Cause it's like, isn't it like a limited food you can get? Like you can get whatever.
Huh?
You can get like whatever. We lit. You can take the whole.
whole cooler of drinks. They wouldn't care.
Say no more. Shit. Can you give me a? They got the ice cream sandwiches. Oh, look at that. I get my umbrella. So we're in the little eating area and I'm about to end the video here. We're gonna take more pictures in that little photo booth right there. And then, I don't know. I don't think we're gonna have any rides because I think they're all like closed. So, I don't know. I really don't know what we're gonna do afterwards. I'm just gonna take pictures and then probably leave. I don't know. But everyone say bye.
Subscribe!
Give this video a thumbs up. Wait, hold on. Oh shit. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe. And I'm just ending the video here.